According to theory of abiogenesis, what we understand is abio. Abio means no living. So according to theory of abiogenesis, life originated from non-living organisms. Okay, so what happens here according to this, or rather non-living things I would say, or non-living organisms. So what happens here, say you have just kept a coconut or a bread and left it overnight, especially during the summer season, you can see the next day there is a lot of microbes which has grown on that, lot of fungi which has grown. So this gave us a hint that probably life originated in the early days from non-living things. But Louis Pasteur spoke differently. Louis Pasteur, through his Swan Necked Flask Experiment, proved that abiogenesis is false. So there is nothing like life originating from nothing. So you require a living organism for a new living organism to originate. So what he did, he took broth and he boiled the broth for a very long time, killing all the microbes in that. And you can see the flask has a complete turnover, so air could flow in, microbes could enter, but it stopped here. So microorganisms were here. And what he did was, he allowed the broth to cool down and saw that there was no microbial growth because microbes couldn't pass through this region. But when we tilted the flask and allowed the microbes to flow inside, the broth got contaminated. So contamination was seen of microbes. Contamination was seen only when microbes could enter. Until such time there was no contamination, no microbial growth. So it is proven that theory of abiogenesis is false.